Welcome to Q&A Wire.
So in the first part of the question, we are considering that a ROM is used to implement the Boolean function which is given here. That is y naught is equals to a dot b dot c dot d plus a dot b dot c cap dot d cap plus a cap dot b cap dot c cap dot d cap. Y1 is given, that is equals to a plus b multiplied by the a cap plus b plus c, and y naught is equals to summation m over the point, that is 13 and 15. So we have to find out the minimum size of the ROM required. So in the first part we are considering about the ROM size. So ROM size here is given as 2 raised to the power k, which is multiplied by the 11. So k is the number of the units, that is equals to 4, and is the number of output variable, that is equals to 3. So 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by the 3 is equals to 16, that is multiplied by the 3. So this is the value here. So this is the answer to the part A of the question. Now in the part B, we have to implement the function using 4:16 active high decoder. We have to show the connections here. So we are considering about 4:16 decoder. So 4:16 decoder from here is somewhat like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I naught, I1, I2, I3, A, B, C, D. And from here we get the 15 signals. This is y naught from here: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and this is 15. This is y2 from here. This is y2 from here, and from here we get the OR gate, that is the input y1. All these are connected to this gate. So this is the answer to 4:16 decoder. This is the answer to this part. Now we are considering about the next question, where we have to implement a combination logic basic design. So here combination logic basic design is given as a b c of in as c of output, that from here is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. This from here is equals to 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1, and this from here is equals to 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 0 1. So from here we can say that S is equals to summation of M 1 2 4 7, and C output is equals to summation of M, that is 3 5 6 and 7. So this is the answer to the given question.